In video 3, we're going to be talking about executing bulk changes. This can be really powerful when you need to make a lot of changes to many items and you don't want to make those changes individually, but figuring out is there a pattern or a way that you can make that change to many items and execute what's called a bulk change. So we're going to learn how to execute a bulk change using the results of a filter. All right. So as we look at these bulk changes, let's jump back over to JIRA and let's take a look at one of our filters. So this is the first project open sprint work items filter. And you'll see that this says for project FP1, and if the issue type is story, we're going to look in our open sprints and we're going to return everything ordered by the created date descending. It returns these two stories, right? This is FP1 24 and 25. And we want to change both of these stories to tasks. All right, so the best way to do that would be with a bulk change. So let's go ahead and do that. We're going to go to the ellipses up here in the corner, and we're going to say bulk change all two issues, all right, which will bring us to this screen. Now we're going to select each of the issues that we want to change, and in this case we can just select the top one and it'll check all of them. Click Next. Now we're going to choose the operation we want to do. Here we want to edit the issues, but you can see we could also move them from one project to another, transition them through workflow, etc. Let's click Edit Issues and Next. And then we're going to change the issue type to task. You can see we can also change lots of other items as well, different attributes. We'll click Next, and then we can click Confirm, and it will go ahead and execute that change for us. So while it's running, we'll let it run for a minute. Now it's done, and we can click Acknowledge. See, now if we go back to our query, which was for this project issue type story, we get no results. If we change story now to task, we run this query again, you can see that we've now changed these items from stories into tasks. That's how you execute a bulk change. Okay, in the next video, we're going to be talking about creating new boards from saved filters.